Hey folks, how's it going? It's been a long time since I uploaded the last video. The reason behind delaying my daily uploads, not daily but once in a week, is I got a strike and I had to delete many of my videos. Nowadays, YouTube is getting very strict about hacking stuff, and many YouTubers who runs a channel of cybersecurity got strikes. So I was thinking what topic I should come up with to avoid this kind of issue. And then I thought, why shouldn't I make programming videos? I know many of you are interested in ethical hacking tutorial. For them, I also have another idea. I will upload ethical hacking videos on my Patreon page, and you can also get access to all my deleted videos. So at the end of the day, I got a topic to make videos, and another good thing happened during this time. We have reached 1000 subscribers, so thank you very much for your kind support. I'm hoping to get more support in future, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it now. Okay, now let's talk about today's video. It is going to be a Python series for absolute beginners. In this video, I'm gonna give you basic introduction and show you how to install Python and pycharm. So the question is, what is Python? Python is perhaps a programming language which can be used for web development, data science, and machine learning. It is very popular amongst hackers, software engineers, web developers, data scientists because of its flexibility and simple syntax. There is a huge demand in this field and the salary is very high. Python is the second highest paying programming language, so learning Python is a good career option. Many big companies like Dropbox, YouTube, IBM, Mozilla, Instagram, and many others use Python for various purposes and constantly hire Python developers. So if you have knowledge about Python, you never know, you can get a job at one of these big companies. That's enough of my torture. Let's come to the point. To start learning Python, you will need two things: Python for obvious reason and IDE platform. I'm gonna give you more detail on IDE in a moment. First, let's download Python file. Open up the browser and head over to the python.org and click here to download Python 3. This is the Windows version. If you are using different OS, Linux or Mac, you can get their version by clicking here. Our file is downloaded. Click on it to begin installation. Windows user must check this box, add Python to path, otherwise you will get an error. Check this box. You can click on install now, or you can make customized installation. Here no need to change anything. Click next. Click here on install for all users and then customize location. Go to a C drive, then program file, and make new folder named it python37. Click install and sit back. Meanwhile, we are also going to download pycharm. You may ask why we need to install pycharm. Pycharm is an IDE platform. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Writing codes on a notepad is an old school. Today we have many great IDE platforms. Main purpose of IDE is to make coding faster and easier. It's a tool and features helps developers to organize resources, prevent mistakes, and provide shortcuts. There are plenty of IDE platforms such as Visual Studios, pycharm, Atom, Veeam, Spider. We are gonna install pycharm because it is very easy for beginners, and this series is all about beginners. So open a new tab and navigate to chatbrains.com and download the community edition. Our pycharm file is ready to install. Once we complete installation of Python, then we are going to install pycharm. Let's install it. Installation is very simple. Click next, 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 and that's it. It takes few minutes. Now that we have both requirements have been installed, we are gonna check whether our Python is installed correctly or not. Windows user open PowerShell and others open the terminal. Type Python. As you can see, our Python is correctly installed and we can execute it successfully. Now exit from it and then type command pip. Pip command is also working, which means we have installed Python without any errors. Now let's run pycharm. Agree the terms and condition. Click continue. It takes a few minutes for the first time. This is the project tab where you can create new projects. If you want to open your previous saved project, open it from here. The customize tab from where you can change themes, increase font size. Now this plugin tabs lets you install all the available plugins from the marketplace. You can check the list of installed plugins as well. From this tab you can access the help menu and you can get tip of the day. Now let's create a new project. Click on new. This is the location where our project will be saved. You can change the name if you want. No need to change anything. And here you can see base interpreter is Python 3 and that's what we want. This is our main .py file. Py is extension for Python file. And now we are not going to write anything. In the next video we will learn to write codes and I will explain that what the modules are. I hope you understand now the basics of Python and pycharm, and if you have any question you can always comment below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.